Hello guys, welcome to MSGK Creative World. In this video, I'm going to show you two different animations. Let's see the first animation. The animation is regarding a cat flying. So, let's first see the animation. As you can see on the background, there's a cat in the sky and the buildings are moving accordingly and the cat is flying above the buildings. So let's see how to do this animation. First, the cat would be the default background. The character, delete the sprite and then go to animals, and there would be two different cats, one normal cat and cat flying, and there would be more different characters. So let's select the cat flying. It would be in the second row, first sprite. We would call the characters in this as sprites. So let's keep it some above. Let's place it to the top. Let's first draw the background. You can either select the background or paint your own background. I'm making it as plain blue. To draw the background, first select the colors properly. To do that, you need to use the rectangle tool. Just click and drag the rectangle from the screen, and as you can see, the background has changed to blue. You even need to add the buildings. There's only coding to the buildings, so you need to first add the buildings, which is very important. If you scroll a bit down, you would see the buildings. There would be different buildings. You need to adjust it correctly. So first go to events and select when flag clicked, and then go to control and select forever block and just place it on the screen first. After this, go to motion and then select set X to block. Change the value of 50 to first 0. Let's see how it would be. So as you can see, 0 is exactly to the middle. Let's select 250. Maybe 250 would be the perfect. Then place the set X to 250 block in the forever, and then select the forever and place it near the when flag clicked. And then select next costume in the looks column. Place it just below the set X to block. Go to controls and then select repeat 10 times. This would need to be placed between the set X to block and the next costume block. Change the 10 to 50. Then go to motion and select change X by 10 block. You need to change the value of 10 to minus 10. When it would be 10, the buildings would move forward, but it should be as an illusion such that it should move backward. As you can see, the buildings are moving accordingly. But there is one building which should be very tall. You need to delete that building. This is the building. As the building is very tall, you need to delete it to create an illusion such that the cat is flying. Go to buildings and scroll down. There are different buildings, as you can see. You can even edit these buildings and select the building block, and there would be delete option at the top. Click on that option. This would delete that building, the same building. So as you can see, the cat is flying above the buildings. This is very easy animation. And next I am going to show you a game. First save this file and then go to file and select new. You can even change the name. Select new And now I'm going to show you a simple and easy game in Flash. The game's name is Clicker Game. For this, first add a balloon on the stage. There are different colors in the balloon. You can even change that colors. I would be showing you now. Go to events and then click when this sprite clicked, and then go to sound and select start sound pop. You can even make your own sound. First you need to record it. You can even record in the scratch itself, and go to variables and select score. Create new variable and then select score. You need to make sure that it is selected for all sprites, and then click on OK. Then as you can see on the screen, score is added at the top left corner. Select change my variable by 1. You need to change this my variable into score, so that whenever you click the balloon, the score would be changed to 1. Now we need to animate it such that whenever we click it, the color should be changed. For that, go to when clicked, go to events and select when flag clicked, and then go to controls and then select forever, and then place it below that block. Go to motion and select go to random position block. By doing this, it will go to any position, and then select wait for 1 second. Now you need to go to looks and then select change color effect by 25. This is very important to change the color. As you can see, whenever we click on the flag button, it is moving, but it's moving a bit slow. For that, you need to change those seconds. For this, you need to change the seconds, but before that, we would be doing one more thing. Go to events and select when flag clicked, and then go to variables and select set my variable to 0, change my variable to score. By doing this, whenever we click on the flag button, the score would be changed to 0. But as the balloon is moving a bit slow, you need to change the seconds. Let's choose 0.5 first. We need to test by doing different. 0.5 is a bit okay. Let's even test another different values. Now select 0.7. It's not important to select 0. You can even simply do it by selecting 0.7. It become a bit fast now. Now let's check with 0.6. 0.6 is okay. Yeah, that's perfect. So now it's important to save the project. That is it for today, guys. I even created a Facebook channel. The link would be posted in the description, so don't forget to watch the description. If you like the video, click on the like button and